In today's video, I'm going to show you how to summarize a channel in Slack using the built-in summarization feature. This is incredibly useful if you've joined a busy channel, you've been away for a while, or you just want a quick overview of what's been discussed without scrolling endlessly. This feature can save you a lot of time and help you catch up instantly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software how-to guides like this. All right, let's jump straight in. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. This works on the Slack desktop app as well as the web version, so you can follow along on either. Once you're inside Slack, look at the left-hand sidebar where all your channels are listed. From here, click on the channel you want to summarize. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or any active space where a lot of conversations are happening. After opening the channel, focus your attention on the top right area of the channel window. This is where Slack keeps most of the channel-level actions and settings. Here, you'll see an option called More Actions, usually represented by 3 dots. Go ahead and click on More Actions to open the drop-down menu. Once the menu opens, look through the available options. In this list, you'll find an option called Summarize Channel. This is the feature powered by Slack's AI tools that helps generate a quick summary of the conversations in that channel. Click on Summarize Channel to continue. Now, Slack will prompt you with different summarization options depending on your workspace settings. You may be asked what time range you want to summarize, such as recent messages, unread messages, or a custom time period. Select the option that best fits your needs. For example, if you've been away for a few days, you might choose to summarize recent activity. If you're brand new to the channel, you might want a broader summary. After selecting your preferred option, Slack will process the request and generate a concise summary of the channel's conversations. This summary highlights key points, decisions, and topics discussed, allowing you to quickly understand what's going on without reading every single message. Take a moment to review the summary and use it as a reference before jumping back into the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully summarized a channel in Slack in just a few clicks. This is a powerful feature for staying productive, especially in fast-moving teams and large workspaces. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.